I'm very happy to inaugurate our stall in Indus Tech Machine Tools exhibition. This is the first time we are organizing similar kind of machine tools exhibition dedicatedly for machine tools only. This will help our customers based at West Bengal because they will find out new technologies. I expect that similar kind of exhibitions will happen every year, and I'm very happy that it has started now. Probably this will continue over the years.
The service of AceMicromatic is really good. Also, the build quality of machines are excellent. We are already using turning and VMC machines in our shop, and now I think I may book 1 or 2 more machines for my future perspectives and all the things.